thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, eastern Toledo County in west-central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Peachtree City, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Fayetteville, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Sonoy, Brooks, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, East Newton, Stars Mill, and Thomas Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeastern Carroll and western Douglas counties.